Welcome to our video on liposomes. First, let's understand what liposomes are. Liposomes are nano-sized vesicles composed of a phospholipid bilayer that can encapsulate both hydrophilic and lipophilic substances. Due to their unique structure, liposomes have wide applications in drug delivery, gene therapy, and cosmetics. These tiny vesicles can carry drugs directly to targeted cells, enhancing the effectiveness of treatments while minimizing side effects. In gene therapy, liposomes can deliver genetic material into cells, offering potential cures for genetic disorders. In the cosmetic industry, they help in delivering active ingredients deeper into the skin, improving the efficacy of skincare products. Next, we'll introduce several common methods for preparing liposomes. The thin film hydration method is a classic and widely used liposome preparation technique in the field of biochemistry and pharmaceutical sciences. This hydration process causes the phospholipid molecules to spontaneously assemble into spherical structures known as liposomes, which can encapsulate various substances, making them useful for drug delivery and other applications. The reverse phase evaporation method is a sophisticated technique that involves dispersing an aqueous phase into an organic phase to create a reverse phase emulsion. During this process, the organic solvent is gradually evaporated, leading to the formation of liposomes. The Sonication method uses ultrasonic energy to transform large multilamellar liposomes into small unilamellar liposomes. This method is simple but may introduce heat and shear forces from the ultrasound. The extrusion method involves passing a liposome suspension through polycarbonate membranes using high pressure to produce uniformly sized liposomes. This method is often used for large-scale production of liposomes. BOC Sciences has extensive experience and expertise in liposome formulation services. We offer various customized liposome preparation services including formulation design, large-scale production, and quality control. If you need high-quality liposome products and professional services, choose BOC Sciences. We are dedicated to providing the best solutions for our clients. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website or contact us.